On today's video, we're going to take a look at this Canon Pixma MG2522 printer. Now, there are plenty of printers on the market, but this one is special. It's $44 if you can find it. This one is actually can be picked up at Walmart, and sometimes you can find them in stock, and they even go on sale. And it being at $44, then most of the time it's cheaper to buy a printer than replace your ink. And ink can be hard to find depending on what area you're from. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what all comes in the box. Instructions. So the color on this printer is kind of like an old Nintendo. It's got that beige white color to it. Open it up here. Comes with a disc. Like, who's got a computer that uses a disc anymore? No one. Okay, I'm knocked down by the smell of plastic. A super strong smell of just kind of like fresh plastic with fresh paint mixed in. The printer, maybe 4 pounds. It's very light. It's got a flip up thingy here. I didn't even look at the specs on it. We go over that in just a second. It does got a scanner. Wow, $44 and I got a scanner. Technology has come a long way. You got the normal button, stop. You know, start, pick what color ink you want to use. Paper goes in the front. That's probably peripherals. You got a pull-out tray somewhere here. Let's pull out. You take the tape off of it, your tray pulls out. Just like so. That's where your paper goes in here and comes out here. I'm pretty sure. Important notice. Should need to return the printer for any reason, you must include all accessories and ink cartridges. Do we get extra ink cartridges or is this not loaded? We get a power cable. We got 2 ink cartridges, which probably goes in this. It's probably empty. And a USB cable to the printer. This is a complicated video. Not much room here. It's a copy scanner. When I got this personally myself, I wasn't looking for a scanner, but it's a big plus that I got it. I was looking at cheapness and being able to print stuff. That was my main 2 things. It needed to be simple, and I didn't want to pay over $100, $200 for one. $44, great price. It's compatible. I didn't even look at the specs. I just know it said printer on it. So it can copy and scan. It's a Windows 10, Windows 8. So that means it's probably will be Windows 11, because most things on Windows 10 will work on Windows 11. It works on Mac OS 10.12 at 10.15. I know nothing about Macs. It's high-speed USB and Windows RT supported, and it includes ink. That's about all I can say. And it's pretty basic too. So if you're looking for a cheap at-home printer, then maybe look at this little printer. If you can't find it, look on Walmart.com. You should be able to find it and have it shipped to your store. But this little guy was $44. It was under 50 bucks. I mean, what can you say? 50 bucks, you're getting a printer and it can print things. You don't need quality. I mean, it's basically plastic, and you don't need super good quality. You just need to print things. This probably will do the job. I'm gonna put some ink in it. Comes with ink, and get to printing. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a printer, check this one out, and I will have a product review of this printer after I use it for a while, because that's what we need to do. Basically, use it for a while. Is when I run out of ink, and then got to replace the ink. So, thanks for watching.